Hey man, we might be getting these undefeated fours a little bit sooner than what everybody expected. First I heard August, I heard September. Now undefeated is throwing out some little hints and clues and some little reminders that the undefeated fours are here and everybody is excited for these things right here. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, breaking down how we potentially could be seeing these things a little bit earlier than expected. Let's talk about it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, the vintage man. We are here, bro. I'm always trying to bring you guys some updated information, huge updates, huge, rumor mills, all that stuff to kind of keep everybody in the loop. We like a video version of a blog. We doing vlogs about sneakers. We're doing all that for you guys, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking up with the vibes. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys run them likes up for your boy, the vintage, especially if you enjoy seeing content like this, man. All right, so I was scrolling on Instagram today, literally while I was in the gym, so I'm like, yo, what's been going on in sneakers? It's been a quiet last couple of days, and I'm like, yo, what is going on? What's popping? What's not popping? And I seen some information about the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Now this one right here is probably everybody's #1 most anticipated sneaker of the year. Probably can go down as sneaker of the year, competing up there with the Air Jordan 4 Brick by Bricks. But it's looking like the Brick by Bricks is gonna take it by a landslide in terms of sneaker of the year, or at least Jordan of the year. But again, man, the undefeated fours, we weren't expecting to see them things until like, August, September time frame. We ain't seen early pairs out there. Maybe onesies and twosies out there, but not a lot of pairs. But I seen on Undefeated Instagram page that they have started the sign up page for the Undefeateds, and it had a couple of different things on there. A lot of people talking about it, and they had a release for July 2025. Even though we're not expected to get a release until August of 2025 from probably like Nike, Sneakers app, and stuff like that. But July 2025 is what we are currently seeing for the drop date on Undefeated for the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. So I don't know if they're going to drop the Jumpman pair or the Nike Air pair or a mixture of both. But you guys know there is a Jumpman pair of Undefeated 4s and a Nike Air pair of Undefeated 4s. So this is kind of crazy. Like, we can see these potentially sooner than a lot of people can expect. And it's kind of weird because we got the Air Jordan 4 Rare Airs. We got the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds. We have the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards. There are a lot of releases in July. And, just to stir it up a little bit more, just to stir the pot up, probably looking like another February release where we got the Galaxies, the Bread 1 High 85s, the Metallic Reimagined 5. It was a lot going on. And usually June and July is pretty slow. But it's looking like Jordan is still cooking up, heating up, and kind of keeping everybody on their toes and P's and Q's on certain releases. So make sure you guys go sign up for the sign up page over on Undefeated right now so you can get updated on when it does happen. But I'm pretty sure, you follow your boy, the vintage. As soon as I see that it is officially live, I will be up on YouTube sharing all the details with you all. But again, I don't know if they're going to do the Jumpman pairs, the Nike Air pairs, not entirely too sure, but we shall see something here in July. Like, I did not expect this at all. And if you guys have heard anything about the Undefeateds, man, please let me know in the comment section. I'm super interested in knowing what you guys know about it, because you'll be surprised. There'll be people watching YouTube that don't probably want to, show their face or get up on YouTube and be, like me, a sneaker YouTube, whatever you want to call it, what I'm saying? But they just have that information that they share on Twitter, on Instagram, faceless, Faceless information. It goes a long way. So if you know anything, drop those comments down below. But I'm pretty sure when they do drop, or around the time they do drop, we're gonna start seeing some pairs backdoor. We're gonna start seeing some early looks and stuff like that. So hopefully here soon, man, we get a pair on the channel, because I am super excited about the Undefeated 4s. I know back in the day, it was almost impossible to get a pair. So this go around, I think it will be a little bit more accessible, but I do think that it could cause still a lot of problems come to release it, because it's the Undefeated 4, man. I think it's gonna have that same type of hype, that same type of want as the Air Jordan 4 Brick by Bricks. So let me just grab them, because I just see them right here. They're looking so beautiful, man. So if you guys had to choose between the Brick by Bricks and the Undefeated 4. You know, let me know which one you would take in terms of sneaker of the year. Which one is gonna be your favorite pickup of the year? Me personally, man, I don't know. These things is cold, bro. I don't know what it is. And I remember they dropped a little bit in the resale value. I straight up said I'm buying them right now. I don't care because I don't think they're gonna drop any more. And I keep on YouTube let you guys know as well. But these right here are super clean. But the Undefeated 4s, man, I think the Undefeated 4s overall are better just due to the, you know, what we've seen in the past with the shoe. It's, you know, Undefeated, the Kobe's, the 4s, some forces out there, bro. People love Undefeated. So me personally, when it comes down to the top 10 of the year and I had to choose between these and Undefeated, I might have to lean more towards the Undefeated because we've been seeing that shoe for almost, what, 10 years now? And I still don't have a pair, and I've been wanting a pair. I've never even seen a pair in hand. So I need them joints in the collection. And hopefully they're not too limited, but I am hearing that the Jumpman pair is a lot more limited than the Nike Air pair. So we shall see what happens. But let me know in the comment section, man. Brick by bricks or Air 4 Undefeated. So again, man, I am going to leave that link down below in the description box. You guys can go tune into the sign up page. Again, it's not going to benefit a lot of people because I know a lot of people follow, you know, different, you know, Discords, information groups and all that stuff. You're going to know before even the email come up because you guys know how information flows. And, you know, Undefeated want to have that momentum behind the release, and Nike themselves want to have that momentum behind the release. But keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled. We could be seeing this shoe sooner than expected. So be ready to, you know, pull out your cards, pull out that money because it's a heavy month. Ray Air 4s, Undefeated 4s, Air Jordan 1 shot backboards, Aqua 8s, some things is clean. Air Jordan 3 pure monies. There is a lot going on. So make sure you guys are ready for all this heat coming out, man. This is the best year for sneakers. I've been saying that for a while. It's the best year in a long time. And I've been buying shoes for like 11, 12 years, and this is the best year, I can say, honestly, in sneakers, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you run them likes up. Every single like counts, and that shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. I truly, truly do appreciate it, man. And so with all this being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.